Another component of our Conacelli protection plan is the paintless dent repair, which is tremendous value as far as, everybody comes across that certain cart that might brush up against their vehicle. Whether it's leased or financed, people want to keep that vehicle in pristine shape. And the benefit to the customer is that it's unlimited amount of claims and zero deductible, and they come out to the customer and they service that car for them. So it's tremendous benefit for the customer just because you don't have to live with that eyesore throughout the total length of the term, whether you're leasing or financing, and a lot of people love it, and it's a great product.
I don't think anybody who's ever owned a car hasn't gotten a ding in their vehicle at some point of ownership. And it's very frustrating. You come out from into a parking lot and there's the ding. What are you supposed to do? Years ago, we would send you to a body shop. You'd have to have the whole panel repaired. Nowadays, with the Conacelli Protection Plan, we have dent removal. It's all handled, it's part of the contract, it's part of your Conacelli Protection Plan. You bring it to us, we set it up, it's done efficiently, quickly, and at no cost to you.
While your car is getting an oil change or you're getting brakes done, we can do it all. It's like a one-stop shopping place. We can do everything while you're here at the same time.
We have professionally trained and only professionally trained dent repair specialists who will work on your vehicle. It's backed by the Conacelli name, which has been here forever, not going anywhere, and we will take care of those dents. The dents happen every day. Everybody gets them. How you have it fixed means a lot. You can have a very good repair done by a professional, or you can go aftermarket and find somebody on the outside who doesn't really have the training. These dent repair specialists spend up to 6 weeks in a school learning how to remove dents properly, so that it does not break your paint, so it does not cause further damage to your vehicle. That's the only way to do it correctly, and that is the way Conacelli does it.